Happy birthday, Mummy. Hope you have a wonderful 70th birthday. We are so sad we can't be there to celebrate with you in person. So instead, we've collected some virtual greetings from family around the world. I hope you enjoy it. Really have a happy birthday. And I hope that by the time we are 70, we can be as kind and talented and positive as you are. With lots of love. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mama. I love how you always spoil us with gifts and you always make the best food. You're also always happy, which makes everybody around you happy, and you're always smiling. Thank you for being an amazing grandmother.
I love how you are a very nice grandmother and you think about everyone else before yourself, and you are very nice. And I also like how you spoil us with lots of toys and gifts, and you also make the best food ever.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Amma. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Thank you for everything that you've done over the last 16, 17 years. Thank you for the best jewelry I have, the best clothes, the best recipes. Everything is something that you bought me. And you make me look very stylish at work. Thank you for everything and wish we could be there with you. A very, very happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mummy. Really wish we could be there or you could be here. So we did the next best thing. We just made it a virtual party. So hopefully you enjoy hearing from all, the relatives and family and so on. You've made so many sacrifices for us over the years. I know Dimpu and I have been troublesome. Hopefully now you're getting more peace and calm and you're enjoying yourself and, cooking and hobbies and all that. Anyway, we really, really, really miss you. Happy 70th birthday. We will call you this weekend. Bye.
Bye.
Many happy returns of the day, 18/6/2020, your birthday. Wish you many more wonderful happiness, growth, prosperity, and everything, all that God can give you. And wish you all success. And my regards to Rajan.
Returns of the day, Aruna.
Happy 70th birthday. Have a great time.
65 years back நீதான் என்ன ஸ்கூல்ல சேர்த்து விட்ட, அது நானும் இருக்கு. And still I get scolding from you whenever I'm erring. Even Vijay won't have got. Anyway, that is the relation we have.
Amma madri. More like mother.
Okay, enjoy, be careful, and make a good dinner for you and Rajan. Enjoy that day. Okay, thank you.
என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க அருணா அக்கா. எப்பவும் நாங்க எனக்கு ஆஃபீஸ்ல வேலை பண்ணும்போது ஹாலிடே, இயர்லி ஹாலிடே நீங்க இங்க வரும்போது தான். So though you had some change from your routine, we also had a real good change. அதனால அம்மா இருந்தா ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்படுவா. We could have celebrated very nicely in a grand manner if this corona was not there. We could all have come there and celebrated like last year when Dimpu and Vijay had come. அதனால ரொம்ப என்ன சொல்றது, ஸோ இங்கே எவ்ரி இயர் நீங்கள் வரும்போது தான் எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு குஷி மூட் இருக்கும். ஷாப்பிங், வி யூஸ் டு என்ஜாய் த ஷாப்பிங். ஐ நெவர் தாட் யூ, ஒரு சிஸ்டர் இன் லா ஃபீலிங்கே கிடையாது. உங்களுக்கும் எனக்கும் ஒரு 13 வயசு வித்தியாசம் இருந்தாலும் வி ஆல் ஹேட் அ கிரேட் ஜெல் பிட்வீன் அஸ். ஸோ அதனால அந்த ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் எப்பவும் கண்டினியூ பண்ணணும் நம்ம. அதான் ராஜனுக்கும் உங்களோட சப்போர்ட் எப்பவும் இருந்துட்டு பி ஹாப்பி அண்ட் நம்ம எல்லாரையும் சுவாமி நல்லா பார்த்துக்கிட்டோம்.
Okay, once again wishing you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Many wish you a very happy birthday. Aruna.
Wish you a happy birthday, Aruna.
All our wishes.
All our wishes.
Hi Arunatha, wish you a very, very happy birthday. Stay happy, home and safe. Happy birthday again.
Hi Aruna Perima. So we were just thinking about you. Radhika, want to share something about her? Like, what do you feel about Aruna?
I really miss all those Chennai times when you used to come and when I was in school. She used to come every holiday and I'll be looking forward for her to visit us and stay with us. And I'll be really sad when she goes back. That's something really most memorable about Arunatha. And yeah, it used to be a lovely time talking with her and talking about all the jewelry, all the saris and her
I love
exquisite
her taste in jewelry.
Yes. I used to wear only what she buys for me. I won't trust my parents that time. Whatever Arunatha buys me, only I'll wear. So it used to be very good time, you know. So I really miss that. And I had the fortune of meeting her even here when I came to California for my internship.
Yeah.
So like we got to spend some time here going around SF and hanging out. It was really nice. Happy birthday, Arunatha. Keep having a wonderful life. So, Nikhila, how are you enjoying this walk?
It's great. We've been spending an hour trying to get a video to send. And I've done about like 50 steps. So it's been great so far.
So, yeah, then we have to definitely say what we wanted to say.
Yeah.
What do you think about Arunatha on a special day?
I think she's saint-like, and it's like apt that she's staying in Pune near Shirdi because I get the same vibe. But the longest time I've spent with her is actually when I visited Pune, and I really enjoyed spending time with her. I felt very comfortable, and I love her taste in jewelry. We went shopping, we had a great time.
How about her food?
Oh, it's amazing. Like there's no second questions there. But yeah, something very special about her is, of course, I think about all the handicrafts and jewelry she's given.
It's amazing.
That's something very unique to her.
So, we should spend time with her, no?
Yeah, I wish you would come and visit us soon so we can all spend time together.
Happy birthday, Arunatha! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Arunatha! Happy birthday to you!
Wish you
Many more happy returns of the day.
Hi, Aruna.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aruna. Happy birthday to you.
We love you very much. Happy 70th birthday. We will always cherish the time we have had with both you and Rajan. Okay, it is our good fortune to have spent time with you this last year. Okay.
Our Ashirvadam, both of our Ashirvadam is with you always. May you have many happy returns of this birthday. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Take care.
Okay.
Bye. Love you.
Arunachati, this is Rajesh, wishing you a very, very, very happy and healthy birthday. Still remember the time when we saw you in Pune, Sangeeta and I, when we came for my exam. That's going back 22 years. Have a lovely day, Chitti. Bye-bye.
Happy 70th birthday, Arunachati.
Have a blast.
70th birthday. 70 years is a milestone in a person's life, and you have reached it effortlessly, spreading happiness all around you. Raman and I wish you a very bright future filled with good health, happiness, and prosperity. God bless you.
वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा अरुणाते. Happy birthday to you. When I think of you, I think of how bubbly you are all the time, and all the yummy treats you try to make, always experimenting with new stuff, gifting lovely trinkets, and just so much more. My fondest memories when I had a home away from home in Pune, when I used to visit you, or we used to spend time together, some lovely times for me. So wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday and many more to come.
happy birthday, Aruna.
Hi Aruna Ate, happy 70th birthday. We miss you and wish you all the best.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Aruna. Happy birthday to you. All the best and hope we can see you in France someday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi Arunaka. Many more happy returns of the day. Happy 70. But to me, you're still sweet 17. You mean so much to me because even now I remember I wore the best of dress when I was young because you gave me your lovely pavadai and davani. I still remember the beautiful green pavadai you gave me with a self check, and I used to wear a black davani and I used to think I would look very pretty. And again, I remember you so much, the kind of help you gave me when I was in Pune. I'll never forget that you allowed me to wear your diamond stud. I still have a photo, but I couldn't locate that photo. And what else? So special. Have a great day. And all the best in your life. And be cheerful, stay young, and stay fit, and be safe. Thank you. Bye.
70th happy birthday, Arunaka. I am Geeta here. Take care. God bless you.
Hello Aruna, happy 70th birthday Dakana. Lovely to see Vijay and Dimpu doing this together for the celebration. And how's Rajan? The coronavirus hits the top list in Maharashtra. So you take care. Whenever you go out, wear the face mask and then glove. How are others, everybody in your family? Okay. Take care, Aruna. Bye-bye. Have a good day, Kana.
Happy birthday, Aruna Chitti. Wishing you a lovely 70th.
We wish you a very happy 70th birthday, Aruna Chitti. Janmadinamidam Ai priya sakhe Shantanotu te Sarvadamudam Prarthayamahe Bhavasatayushi Ishvara sada Tvam sharakshatu Punyakarmana Kirtimarjaya Jivanam tava Bhavatu sartakam Janmadinamidam.
Happy birthday, Aruna. You've always been a very pleasant person to know since the time of my marriage. And you're a wonderful host. I can never forget my first trip to Pune, which is permanently etched in my memory. So a very happy birthday to you and many more birthdays to come.
Happy 70th birthday, Arunaka. 70 is just a number. You're always 17 in your heart and in your spirits. So have so much fun on your birthday. And we've had great times together. So many pleasant memories. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Our namaskarams to you.
Hello Arunaka, wishing you a very happy 70th birthday. Have a nice time and a great day. Namaskarams to Atimber.
The last time I met Perima was
Many happy returns of the day, Perima. Hope you have a wonderful time.
Happy 70th birthday. Have fun, Perima. Bye.
Hello Arunaka, this is Hari. I wish you a very happy birthday. It's a big occasion. It's a very happy occasion. I wish you and Rajan Atimber a very blissful life together and many happy celebrations with grandchildren and children. Hare Krishna. I'm praying regularly for everybody's welfare. And I remember fondly Natraj, Ramesh, of course Vasu, yourself, Vedu even, and Prashant and everybody else. Take care. Okay, I hope to see you when I come to India. Okay, take care. Bye.
I'm so happy to greet you on your birthday.
an excellent sister I ever had, a person who was my mentor, who was my competitor, and who was outsmart than me in all the fields. Aruna, I love you. Number school padikkathilende, I remember she was a dream girl for the school. Everybody loved her, and she had a lot of talents, and she used to display her skill in Veena and other fine arts. I think drawing also she was good during those days. I wish you all the very best, many more years of life and useful and purposeful life in future. Take care, Aruna. I love you.
I am Kittu speaking. I first initially thank Vijay for giving me an opportunity to greet Aruna on her 70th birthday on Thursday. I pray Almighty to shower the best of all His best of success, health, prosperity and happiness always to Aruna. And I also wish that Almighty gives Aruna and Rajan 100 years of good health and happiness. God bless.
Hi Perima, happy birthday.
Hi Aruna, happy birthday, 70th birthday.
Hi Aruna, wish you a grand 70 and many more to come. It's almost 50 years also since you have come to Pune, and we wish you the best of good health and happiness for many more years.
Hi Perima, how's everything at home? I hope you and Peripa are doing well and are happy and healthy, especially during these times. And I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday, and I really wish we could all be there to celebrate this milestone with you together, but sadly we can't, at least not in person. But yeah, so I just wanted to say that I miss you, I love you, and I hope to see you soon in the coming years. Bye bye.
Hey Perima, happy 70th birthday. 7 long decades is a very long time, and I might have cracked the secret to staying young much longer. I'm going to share it with you today. It's simply just smiling, laughing and lying about your age. Take care, bye bye for now. I hope you're keeping safe. Love from Princeton.
Happy birthday Aruna, hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday Aruna! Woohoo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aruna. Happy birthday to you.
Give me an A.
A.
Give me an R.
R.
Give me a U.
U.
Give me an N.
N.
Give me an A.
A.
What is that?
Aruna! Happy birthday!